Hi everyone, and welcome to another video on setting up your cqulaw.net account. In this video, what we're going to do is just look at how you add some pages, and then more specifically, once those pages have been added, how you can move them around within a menu to get the menu structure that you like. So to begin with, the first thing we're going to do is come up here and we're going to click on create a new page. So I'm going to click on create a new page. First thing you want to do is name the page. So we'll just call this about us as an example. And once we've done that, we click on create. Now you want to go through and create all the pages that you want to use in your menu structure. So about us, contact us, and whatever other pages you want. So in this case, once you've made the page, you'll see it comes in here, so you can start adding in your text from that point on. Once you put whatever you want in here, you can just come up here and save your page. You'll also notice up here that there are options to insert a whole bunch of other things. So this is where you can insert links into pages and text box and gadgets, and down here is a really good one. This is your YouTube video. So if you want to add in your video, you can add it in using your YouTube link option here. Suffice to say, once we've got a page done, we just come up here and click save. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to create a new page. I'm just going to create this one as contact us. Very simple. And create. Okay, so once we've created these pages and then we've put in any content we want for these pages and then save them. So I'm not going to put anything in this one. I'm just going to save it. Okay, you'll see over here now that they'll actually come in the order that you create the pages. So what happens if you've created a page at a later date and you decide, oh, hang on a minute, I would like this page further up, and other things like maybe you don't want the sitemap there. So what you do, you come over here to the more actions option, come down to the edit site layout option, and if we click on this, what you'll see now is you'll get the option over here for the sidebar, and when you hover over it, you'll see the word navigation comes up. So the first thing I want to do is click on this word navigation. Now I've got a couple of options here. The first one is I can untick the sitemap, and that'll remove the sitemap link that's over here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to click on OK. And what will happen is once the page updates, you'll see that the sitemap has now been removed. Now the other option in here for the navigation, if I go back into navigation itself, I can turn off the title where it says navigation, so I can turn off that title, or I can leave it on and change the title. The other thing is here it says automatically organize my navigation. So if you want to actually move things around in your navigation, you're going to need to untick this box, and then what happens is you come up with a blank box here. You need to click on add page. By clicking on add page, it does two things. First, it allows you to select a page to add. So if you've got many pages, you can search for the page name. You can, down below here, you've got the sitemap links. So these should be all the pages you have. And if you've got a lot of pages and you're looking for the most recent one, you might want to just click on my recent page, and it'll just show you the created ones that you've created recently, obviously. So if I go back to sitemap, let's say I'm just going to click on about us, contact us, and home here. You'll notice that you have to do them one at a time. There's no way to select multiple pages in here in one go, so you'll need to do this one at a time. So I'm going to click on about us and click on OK. I'm going to go back to add page, click on contact us and OK, add page, home, and OK. You'll notice that once I've got them in here now, I can reorganize these. So over here I've got home, about us, and then contact us. Maybe I want home at the top, so select home, use the arrows to go back to the top, and then I want the contact us before the about us, so I'll do that. So now I've got home, contact us, about us over here. This is the menu we're changing. Our current menu says home, about us, and then contact us. So we've made contact us the second one. Once we've done that, we're going to click on OK. And once a page refreshes, it'll actually change around. So there you go. I've got home, contact, us and then about us. So that's how you go through and move it. So I'll just do that quickly again. Click on navigation, click on add page if you don't see the page in here already. So add page, then select the page you want to add in, click OK, and it will add it in here. Now if you've added it in twice, you can always remove it. It's very easy. And the other option you have in here is to create what we call submenus. So I might have about us. Let's just move this back up. And then I want to put contact us under about us. That's what these arrows, two arrows here are for. So I can do it like this and then click OK. And you'll notice when this refreshes, contact us is now under about us. So if I'm viewing the about us, you can see contact us is under there. Okay. So once I've made all those changes and I've done that and I've got it to the way I want, I just basically close out of this, and you'll see now I can go home. I've got about us, and then contact us is under that again. If you want to hide these submenus, you need to go back into edit it, edit the page layout, go into navigation, and you have to change it in such a way that it will hide it. I haven't quite worked out exactly how we're going to do that at the moment, so it will display like this, so just bear that in mind. So I'm just going to put that back so it looks nice and clean like that. There we go, and then click close and I'm done. So that's how you go about moving around your menus and getting the menu structure in place. The one important thing about this entire menu process is you need to have created the pages you want first, because if you haven't created the pages, they won't show up in the option to be able to add them to your menu. So there you go. That's how you can go through and create quick pages, add them to a menu, and then change the menu around so that the pages you want are in the order that you would like to have them in your menu.